As a business grows, it expands and multiplies in numerous areas, whether it is revenue, infrastructure or technology, even in terms of people. With business expansion, the number of Tally users in the company increases and the need for enabling a greater number of users to perform different types of tasks on the same data also increases. With increase in the number of users, the organization starts needing tighter security of data and also monitoring of each user's activities. Let's take your business scenario. Being a TallyPrime Gold user, you started with a known number of users who were accessing the data and passing transactions, generating reports, taking backup, etc. Now, with the growth of the business, the number of users and the need for multiple users to be able to share the same data at the same time from their individual systems, that is, use data concurrently, has also grown. To address the need for a smooth and delight experience of working on TallyPrime, we bring you an enterprise class product, TallyPrime Server. This product installs a server component in your system, giving dedicated access to TallyPrime data for each user in the network. Now, any number of users in your network will be able to work on TallyPrime and perform the tasks of entering data and viewing or printing emailing reports concurrently without any impact on your staff's productivity. Users will truly be delighted with the enhanced experience. Not only this, you will experience stronger data security in a shared environment and higher administrative control. TallyPrime Server is a separate server component which runs as a service offering access to only your Tally data. The data can be managed through Windows services and through Tally itself. The installer installs a service called Tally Server Service and TallyPrime Server. Tally Server Service is a server component that runs as a service and provides access to Tally data. TallyPrime Server is a Tally interface that helps users manage Tally Server Service. As with all Tally products, the installation is quick and simple and you are up and running with the product immediately. Let's see how Tally yet again provides simple but futuristic solutions for data sharing needs with TallyPrime Server's many benefits. To start with, high concurrency is a prime benefit. Usually, when 10 or more users access the same data for different functions, such as data entry or printing reports, the waiting time to receive a response is high. With TallyPrime Server, users can perform varied tasks concurrently without any delay, thereby increasing the organization's efficiency. TallyPrime Server gives you the highest level of security for your data. Access to TallyPrime data is exclusively through TallyPrime Server. Rest assured, your data cannot be accessed by unauthorized users. You can also access rights of different companies to different users. What's more, you can schedule backups to be taken automatically on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis without asking users to stop working. With increase in numbers of users, you will surely need to monitor and control their activities. With TallyPrime Server, your administrator can see all users logged in, track the number of times an activity has been performed by each user, know when the system becomes non-responsive for more than 10 minutes, and even disconnect a user from the network. This gives you full control over your users' access to data. Finally, TallyPrime Server ensures that there are no crashes due to data issues, giving you uninterrupted working and zero downtime. In the rare event that a user becomes non-responsive, other users are not disturbed. Get TallyPrime Server today to ensure enhanced security and reliability of your data and provide uninterrupted and delightful experience to your users.